तो ये चाहता था।
की बहाल करने वाले संविधान के 105वें संशोधन अधिनियम को मंजूरी। सामान्य बीमा अधिनियम 2021 को भी स्वीकृति मिली।
Yes, good morning all. Audio video clear down. Is the audio video clear now, students? Okay then. So we completed integration. Yesterday nothing formulas I given. I discussed one more example based on the integration. So this chapter, yesterday class formulas, I am not given any formulas. What is yesterday class we discussed is, yesterday class we discussed already basic formulas. This formulas already given before. Once again I recall that formula sustain. This formula is already given. Very good morning all. Okay. So for this chapter, one more important tool we required is graph. We needed a graph. So regarding the graphs, very important, not only for this chapter, especially for physics. So graphs are very important. Before discussing the graph, let me tell you on 2 points related with the coordinate geometry. So what about for the coordinate geometry? And this coordinate geometry, two formulas I want that I will recall, then we'll go with the graph. Okay, na? In this coordinate geometry, you know that the coordinate axis will be there. If I consider there are two mutually perpendicular axes, one is x-axis, other is y-axis. So this is called as what? Origin. For 2 dimension, coordinates of origin 0, 0. I consider a point P. Generally, the position of the point P given by the coordinates. Its x coordinate is given by x, y coordinate is given by y. What is the distance of the point P from the center? So the distance of the point P from the center, that is given by OP. What is the formula for finding distance between the 2 points? Is it volume less sum? What is the formula for finding the distance between the 2 points? If any 2 points are given, how can we find out the distance between the 2 points? The distance between the 2 points can be calculated by the formula OA. OA value is equal to, what is the formula to find out if there are 2 points are given? One point is x1, y1 and another point is x2, y2. There are 2 points are given, x2, y2. What is the formula for distance between these 2 points? The distance between the points are given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Y2 minus y1 whole square. And this is the formula for finding distance between the 2 points. Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square will give us the distance between the 2 points. Here the coordinates of O are 0, 0. And what are the coordinates of A are x, y. So what is the distance between OA? OA distance value will be given by, so root over x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square. So what will get the answer, which is given by root over x square plus y square. Everyone know how to find out the distance between the 2 points. Not only for this chapter, next chapter motion in a plane is there. There also we will get vector. In that vector, how can we find out the distance between the magnitude of the vector? The magnitude of the vector can be calculated by using this method only. So for example, a vector is represented by a directed line segment. So for the vector, initial point is there and end point is there. If I represent this AB with one vector P bar, for example, the coordinates of A are 0, So for example, the coordinates are 5, 0, and these coordinates are 8, 0. Actually, here P bar is represented by a line segment AB bar. What is the magnitude of P bar? Magnitude of P bar will be given by P is equal to EB. So EB value nothing but root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what will get the answer? X2 minus x1 value 8 minus 5 whole square plus 0 whole square. So what will get the answer? Which is given by root over 3 square. 3 square answer is, root is there, answer is 3. What is 3? Magnitude of P bar. Magnitude andre it is a distance between the 2 points. So that value will use as the magnitude, which is equal to 3. So this formula is very important for us for finding the distance between the 2 points. It is not root 89. Here what is their value? So 8 minus 0 whole square. This value 8 na. X2 value, this is x1 and this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. So this value will be 8 minus 5 whole square plus 0 square. 8 minus 5 square value will be of 3 square. So 3 square answer is 3. Sneha. So 3 square answer is 3. This is for finding the distance between the 2 points. After finding the distance between the 2 points, so next one is how to find out the slope of a straight line. Slope. What is the meaning of slope? Slope means what? Slope represented by the symbol M. Slope gottabeku. Slope andre valu. So how can we calculate the slope? Now for example, let me consider one straight line. y8 minus 0 whole square means y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1. Ade formula alla. You are asking that question only. What is the formula for distance between the 2 points? X2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. In this given question, so x1, y1 are 5, 0. x2, y2 are 8, 0. x2 minus x1 andre 8 minus 0 whole square. y2 minus y1 andre, so what I will get 0 minus 0 whole square. 8 minus 5 whole square plus 0 square will give you P. So P is equal to AB. AB is equal to 3 square. Y8 minus 5 whole square, understood? Huh? What is the meaning of slope? Slope andre in Kannada, it is called as valu. What is the meaning of slope? Now let me consider. So this is OE. OE is one straight line. What is the angle made by the straight line? Angle made by the straight line with the horizontal. If the angle made by the straight line with the horizontal is theta. Angle made by the straight line with the horizontal. So this is theta. Then what is the slope formula? Slope formula will be given by, slope is represented by the symbol M. The formula for the slope is tan theta. What is slope? Tan of the angle made by the straight line with the horizontal. That is called as what of slope. How can I calculate the slope? To calculate the slope, for example, the coordinates of origin are 0, 0. The coordinates of A are x, y. Now, what is the initial coordinate of A? So, if I draw a perpendicular on x-axis, on y-axis, on x-axis, on y-axis, I drawn one perpendicular from A onto the x-axis, onto the y-axis. For example, if I call this point name is B and this point name is C. What is tan theta formula? Tan theta already you know. So which is opposite side divided by which one? Adjacent side. What is the definition for tan theta? Opposite side divided by adjacent side value. In this triangle, what is opposite side value? Opposite side value is AC. And which is the adjacent side value? Adjacent side value. So that is given by what? OC. AC divided by OC. So that will give you the slope. Then what I will get M formula? So M is equal to tan theta. Slope always represented with M. So M value will be equal to tan theta. Ili AC value is or OB. Sorry, here it is the value of O. As per this triangle, okay. Now here I got one rectangle. Here I got one rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. So OC value, OB value and AC values are equal. And AB value and OC values are equal. Correct? What is the value of AC? AC is the distance of the point A. So what is the distance of AC value, OB value same. O to B distance, A to C distance, both are same. So this distance value will be equal to Y. What happened to this distance value? Y. This is equal to Y. And what happened to OC value? OC value will be equal to X. Correct? So A is the, what is the distance? So it is along Y axis. Y coordinate will indicate the distance of the point. What is the distance of the B from O? That will give you the Y coordinate. This value will be equal to Y. This is also equal to Y. If this value, OC value will be equal to X, this value also equal to X. So tan theta value will be given by, so AC value. Actually AC I can write it as Y2 minus Y1. Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So what is the formula for slope? Slope formula can be also written as, so what is the formula for finding the slope? Slope can be also written as M is equal to tan theta. This tan theta value will be equal to, it is the difference in the, so difference in Y coordinate, difference of Y coordinate divided by Y coordinate divided by the difference of X coordinate. So difference of X coordinate. So 1 second, X coordinate. So this is the formula for the slope. So M is equal to tan theta. Tan theta general formula is Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. Why it is Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1, you should come to know. So slope is the, when you want to calculate the slope of any straight line, so what about its Y coordinate difference divided by X coordinate difference? Change in the Y coordinate divided by change in the X coordinate will give us the slope. So small m only. Slope is represented by the letter small m only. It is not capital M. So that is small m. Here, so for if I consider for A, actually, so AC value is equal to Y2 minus Y1 here. So which are X1, Y1? X1, Y1 are the coordinates of origin 0, 0. And what are X2, Y2? These are the coordinates of the point A, which are given by X, Y. Okay, Nara? So X1, Y1 value 0, 0, X2, Y2 value X, Y. If we take height AB and AC, then what will be the change? Height AB, which is height AB there? Here, theta is there. What is opposite side value? AC. And what is adjacent side value? Adjacent side value will be given by OC. So Y AC value is Y2 minus Y1. If I want to calculate AC, so what about A Y coordinate? Initial coordinate minus, I want to calculate A to C distance. So C coordinates also, C Y coordinate also will be equal to 0. AC value, how can I find out the distance between the 2 points? Distance between the 2 points Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. Therefore, what I will get M value? M value will be equal to tan theta. So tan theta value will be equal to how much? Y2 value Y, X2 value 0. Sorry, Y1 value 0. X2 value X, X1 value 0. Finally, what I will get this? M is equal to tan theta. Tan theta value will be equal to Y divided by X. What is the value of tan theta? Tan theta value is equal to Y divided by X. How it will come? Y2 minus Y1 value. Here, this is the right angle triangle. So this is the coordinate axis we consider. This is our straight line we consider. Straight line is OA we called. Okay. Now I want to calculate what about the slope. Slope is the angle made by the straight line. Tan of the angle made by the straight line with the slope means tan theta. Slope means change in Y coordinate divided by change in X coordinate. It is not a cos theta. It is only tan theta. Now tan theta. Whenever, what is the angle made by the straight line? With which one? With the horizontal. So that angle is called what? A slope. Now slope is equal to tan theta. From the diagram, so tan theta value is equal to, if I call this is C, so tan theta value is equal to AC. AC divided by which one? OC. How can I calculate AC value? AC value, if I want to calculate, now I should know A coordinates are given X, Y. The coordinates of A given it as X, Y. Slope, that is only explaining. coordinates of A given as x comma y. What does it mean? The distance of A from the origin from y, vertical distance of A from the origin is y. The vertical distance of A from the along horizontal direction is x. What is the meaning of coordinates? Coordinates will give you distance of the point. From where? From the origin. What is the vertical distance of A? That is given by y. Okay. So vertical distance of A value will be given by y. And horizontal distance value will be given by x. AC value given by y. And OC value given by what? X. For m is equal to what? M value will be equal to y divided by x. Can we take secant? If I want to calculate slope, change in slope, general formula, change in y coordinate by change in x coordinate. Change in y coordinate will give you AC. Change in x coordinate will give you OC. AC by OC bekandre, AC is the which side? Opposite side. And OC is the which side? Adjacent side. With respect to opposite side and adjacent side, so what I will get, which is the angle I need to consider? You should not take, so as your wish. Someone is asking, can I take the sine theta? Can I take the secant theta? Can I take the cot theta? Actually, the formula for the slope is, so m value will be equal to, it is the change in the y coordinate. It is the difference in the y coordinate. So difference in y coordinate, difference in the change in the y coordinate divided by difference in the x coordinate. So difference in the which coordinate? X coordinate. Are you getting a difference in the x coordinate? So once again I will show you the difference in the x coordinate. And why should not I take? And few members are asking, sir, how you written that as y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1? If I call, so what about initial y coordinate? Now AC, C coordinates are what? C is there on x-axis. It's a x coordinate value will be equal to x only. Y coordinate value will be equal to, so can I write it as y1? Similarly, A coordinates I will write it as x2 comma y2. If I take one more point, sir, why you drawn the perpendicular lines? If we find out the tan theta directly, tan theta value can be find out directly. Why I drawn the perpendicular line? To indicate, you should come to know why it is y. Y distance value will be equal to y. And few members are asking, sir, why you written y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1? How can we write y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1? Now this is our straight line. Straight line value started from the origin OA. So then if I draw the perpendicular here, this is C. So C coordinates are given by x comma. So C coordinates are given by x1 comma y1. And A coordinates are given by, so here what is there? x2 comma y2. What is the change in y coordinate? Change in y coordinate means which I will get y2 minus y1. By change in x coordinate means what I will get x2 minus x1. In detail, again, you will come to know in coordinate geometry. So y2 minus y1 will give you which one? AC. By x2 minus x1 will give you OC. But if I take O is the origin, straight line started from the origin, y1 value 0 and x1 value if I write, then I can find out. Okay, Nana? So we can find out the theta value directly also. Just so you should come to know what is the formula for the slope. Slope means what? Angle made by the side line with the horizontal. Tan of the angle made by the straight line with the horizontal is called as slope. To calculate the slope, compulsory tan theta only required. It is not of cos theta or cot theta, any other values. Finally, what is the equation for the straight line I got? So equation for the straight line I got. Okay, now. So y is equal to, finally what I got, m value will be equal to, definition is nothing. So slope means tan of the angle made by the straight line with the horizontal is called as what? A slope. And what is the formula for m? M formula will be, now I got m value will be equal to tan theta, which is equal to y divided by x. If I cross multiply, y is equal to mx. If I cross multiply, y is equal to mx. I want this equation. Screenshot I will show you. Wait, y is equal to mx. Whenever I written y is equal to mx, actually So these are related with the graph. What is y? Y coordinate. M is what? Slope. X is the x coordinate. Now actually, in physics, graphs are very important for us. For drawing the graph, if I consider the graph, when we are drawing the graph, so we needed two things. So if we want to plot the graph, if I want to plot the graph between y and x, slope definition, it is the tan of the angle made by the straight line with the horizontal is called as what? Slope. Now y is equal to mx, it is one equation. So y is equal to mx is there. If I draw the graph as per this equation, if I plot the graph between y and x, what is the shape of the graph? So graph is a straight line passing through origin. Whenever they will give equation, by that equation you can plot the graph. Already you know that y is equal to mx is the equation for the straight line. Definition not necessary for the slope. Slope definition you will come to know in mathematics. Just here you should come to know slope means angle made by the straight line with the horizontal. Tan of the angle made by the straight line with the horizontal is called as what? A slope. Just to slope represented by the symbol m. As per that given equation, we got y is equal to mx. If you want to plot the graph, you needed two things are there. So you needed two variables are there. One is the dependent variable, another is the independent variable. As per this equation, y is a function of x. Y value depends upon x value. If you want to plot the graph, the dependent quantity should be taken on y-axis. The independent quantity should be taken on x-axis. The independent quantity should be taken on which axis? X-axis. As per this given equation, y is equal to mx. This is the equation for the straight line, which is passing through origin. Equation for what? A straight line which is passing through origin. Y is equal to mx value. In detail, you will come to know in mathematics. Now here we want just a formula. If I given the formula, by that formula, you should able to identify what is the shape of the graph. Y is equal to mx. I will tell as per this. So graph is a straight line. When I will get y is equal to mx, actually whenever y directly proportional to x, when two quantities are directly proportional, if we remove the proportionality constant, we needed a constant. To remove the proportionality, we needed a constant. So then we'll get y is equal to mx. In physics, when you are drawing the graph between the two variables, if the two variables are directly proportional, you will come to know you don't bother. Still, if you want, tomorrow class also will continue. So once again, I will tell you, slope means angle made by the line with the horizontal. So that is called as what? A slope. So whenever if I come to know, for example, you know, F is equal to ME. Everyone know Newton's second law? Whenever mass is constant, force directly proportional to E. Whenever the force is directly proportional to E, when I plot the graph between, so force and acceleration, what is the shape of the graph? Straight line, which is passing through what? Origin. When two variables are directly proportional, this F is equal to ME is of the form Y is equal to MX. F is equal to ME is of the form Y is equal to MX. You should compare. Y is equal to mx. If we plot a graph between force and acceleration, what is the shape of the graph? So graph is a straight line. So I will repeat, you don't bother. Tomorrow also we'll continue the same topic. Just we should come to know what are the shape of the graph. When equations are given, so when we'll get straight line? When we'll get a straight line? First graph once you check. So what is the first graph? Whenever y is equal to mx given. So first today class what I discussed is, so just I discussed regarding the slope. I given the formula for finding the distance between the 2 points. When 2 points are given, how to find out the distance between the 2 points? So that 1 point I given, distance between the points I given. The second point I given that. So how to calculate the slope? Slope means tan of the angle. Slope definition nothing to write. Tan of the angle made by the straight line with the horizontal. That is called as what? A slope. There is one more definition also there for the slope. It is the difference between the change in, or it is the difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate. So there is one more formula. So difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate. Now angle of elevation not required for us. Why you are asking angle of elevation? I don't know. Now we are asking for only for the slope. Slope definition, this one only. Asking few members, write down the definition for the slope. This is only the definition. So difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate will give us what a slope. Slope value can be represented only with the tan theta, not for any other angle. It should not be written cot theta, it should not be written anything. Slope andre valu. So slope it is the measure of angle. Tan of the angle made by the straight line with the horizontal is called as what a slope. Tan of the angle made by the straight line with the horizontal is called as what a slope. Okay, Nara? So as per the given problem, what is the slope of the straight line I got? Slope of the straight line I got y by x. M is equal to y by x. When m is equal to y by x, what happened to y value? Y value will be equal to mx. Y value will be equal to mx. Only now onwards, what I am telling, that points are needed for us. What are the points I discussed till now? So these all you will come to know in mathematics, coordinate geometry. Even in your lower classes also you studied all this. Okay, Nara? So you studied all this. Now onwards, what I am telling, that points are needed. So whenever I give an equation, first equation given it as y is equal to mx. This is the equation for the straight line. If I given this equation, immediately you should be able to identify. If I plot the graph between y and x, to draw the graph, we needed two variables. One is x variable, other is y variable. X coordinate, y coordinate. Generally, the independent variable taken on x-axis, the dependent variable will be taken on y-axis. The dependent variable will be taken on y-axis. Someone is asking for the example. For example, whenever motion is uniform motion. So what is velocity formula? Velocity is equal to displacement by time. I will give you example for that only. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. For uniform motion, velocity constant. So displacement is equal to velocity into time. Whenever velocity constant, so displacement directly proportional to t. S is equal to Vt. S is equal to Vt. So you have to compare S is equal to Vt. So with the standard equation, y is equal to mx. Y is equal to which one? Mx. So now you tell me, so y, which is x? Compare both the equations. In place of displacement, in place of y, displacement is there. In place of x, time is there. So I want to plot the graph between which one, Ram? Between the displacement and time. So displacement depends upon time, or time depends upon displacement. Is displacement with the time displacement changing? With the displacement time is changing? With the time displacement is changing. So time is an independent variable and displacement is a dependent variable. The time is taken on x-axis, displacement is taken on y-axis. Understood, Anna? Now, what is the shape of the graph drawn between displacement and time? What is the shape of the graph? So, drawn between displacement and time is a straight line. Now, what is the slope of the straight line? Slope means angle made by the line. With which one? With the horizontal. Angle made by the straight line with the horizontal is called as what? A slope. Slope will give you, so what is the formula for slope? Slope represented by the symbol m. Slope is equal to tan theta. Change in y coordinate. Here if I want to calculate, what about this distance? This distance value will give you displacement. This is the displacement. And what about the adjacent side value will give you time. Displacement by time is nothing but a velocity. Displacement by time is nothing but a velocity. So what is the slope of which graph? Slope of which graph? So slope of displacement and time graph. Slope of ST graph. If I plot the graph between displacement and time, what is the slope of the graph? Will give you velocity. And this is the point you should come to know. Slope means tan theta. Tan theta means y coordinate by x coordinate. In this, what about the opposite side value will be given by displacement. Adjacent side value will be given by time. So slope is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to displacement by time. So displacement by time value will give you velocity. What is the slope of the displacement time graph? Displacement time graph, slope will gives us what? Velocity. Understood, students? Is this example okay, Nara? Whenever the motion is uniform motion, so what is the shape of the graph drawn between displacement and time? That's very good. You can understand. You should not get afraid and you should not be hurrying. No problem. What is that? If you not get it today, tomorrow we'll discuss still some more examples. Can I take one more example for y is equal to mx straight line? One more example for uniformly accelerated motion. For which motion? Uniformly accelerated motion. Whenever motion is uniformly accelerated. So, what is the definition for acceleration? So, acceleration general formula I am writing A is equal to V by T. Acceleration generally I am writing A value is equal to velocity divided by time. Change in velocity by time. If initial velocity is 0, so V by T. What is the formula for V? V is equal to AT. Whenever A value constant, uniformly accelerated motion as rate of change of velocity, V minus U divided by T2 minus T1. If initial velocity is 0, if U is equal to 0, then, so what I will get the formula? V divided by U. Can I write? Rate of change of velocity only, the body initially at rest. If U value is 0, at a time T is equal to 0, at a T1 is equal to 0. That time what can I write? A formula, V divided by U. That time what I will get? V is equal to AT. Uniformly accelerated. What is uniformly accelerated? Now you are asking, see. So uniformly accelerated motion. In uniformly accelerated motion, A value constant. Whenever A constant, V directly proportional to T. V is equal to AT. This is of the form Y is equal to mx. This is of the form Y is equal to mx. Now, if I want to plot the graph, you tell me, I want to draw the graph between velocity and time. Which one I should not get on x-axis? Which one I should not take on y-axis? Which is the dependent quantity? Which is the independent quantity? Velocity should be taken on y-axis. Time should be taken on x-axis. What is the shape of the graph? Straight line. Passing through which one? Passing through origin. Clear, Dara? What is the slope of the straight line? Will give you. Slope means slope is y coordinate by x coordinate. In order to find out the slope, y coordinate by x coordinate. What is y coordinate value? V. X coordinate value T. So V by T will give you acceleration. So what is the slope of? So VT graph. VT graph slope will give you acceleration. VT graph slope will give you acceleration. V by T answer is acceleration. Is this example understood? When graph is a straight line, graph is a straight line whenever y, if it is of the form y is equal to mx. Still, some more forms of the straight line tomorrow class will discuss. So that is the class for today. So because now I have to go for class, tomorrow class will discuss regarding some more types of graphs. Straight line we have seen. Then we need to discuss regarding which one? So what is parabola equation? What is the equation for the circle? What is the equation for so ellipse? That you will come to know. Okay, Nana? So closing the class. If those who are having any doubt, tomorrow you can ask. Tomorrow once again we'll have the discussion. So you can quit from the meeting now. Screenshot, the video will be recorded. The recorded video will be uploaded in YouTube.